How do I know if my propane regulator is bad?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic: how to determine if your propane regulator is faulty. Your propane regulator is an essential part of any propane system. It controls the flow of propane, ensuring it's safely and efficiently used. When this component fails, it can lead to various issues. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to identify a bad propane regulator. Remember, safety is always first.
What are the signs of a bad propane regulator?
One of the first things to do is to understand the common signs of a bad propane regulator. These can include 1. Fluctuating flame. If the flame from your propane appliance keeps changing from high to low without you making adjustments, this could be a sign of a bad regulator. 2. Yellow or orange flame. Propane appliances should burn with a blue flame. If the flame is yellow or orange, this may indicate a problem. 3. Gas leak smell. The distinct odor of propane or a gas leak smell near your tank could suggest a failing regulator.
How to perform a leak test?
One way to determine if your regulator is failing is to perform a leak test. This can be done using soapy water. 1. Create a soapy water solution by mixing dish soap and water. 2. Turn on the propane tank without igniting any appliances. 3. Apply the soapy water solution to the regulator and its connections using a spray bottle or a brush. 4. Observe closely. If you see bubbles forming, that indicates a leak which might be due to a bad regulator.
How to test regulator pressure?
You can also test the regulator pressure using a manometer, a device that measures pressure. Please note that this step should be performed by a qualified professional due to the potential risks involved. 1. Attach the manometer to the regulator's vent. 2. Open the propane tank and read the pressure on the manometer. 3. If the pressure reading is outside the regulator's specified range, the regulator may be faulty. Note: you should consult the manufacturer's guide or a professional for the specific pressure range for your propane regulator. Those are the steps to identify if you have a faulty propane regulator. Remember, if you suspect your propane regulator is bad, it's essential to turn off your propane supply immediately and contact a professional to prevent potential hazards. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to diagnose a faulty propane regulator. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.